Hi everyone. So we are making tacos. These are Grandpa's tacos, my mother's tacos, my tacos, the family tacos. I've already browned the meat and drained off the fat, and now I'm adding a seasoned salt. Use whatever brand seasoned salt you like. We never have used taco seasoning in our tacos. Use some garlic powder. And you totally do this to your taste. As much or as little as you like. And then pepper, and that's it for the meat. I did a video of our, I guess you'd call it salsa or taco topping, hot sauce, I don't know. Mix that in. And then I will put this in a bowl, and then we're going to fry the tortillas. Let me get this in a bowl and then get the pan cleaned and get oil in it, and we'll fry these babies up. Okay, we are ready to fry tortillas. This tortilla is a little jacked up. These are really fresh. And then I add a spoon of meat. And if that gets in your oil, it will pop. And you fold it and let them dry. Why do these tortillas look like that? That's a lot of good. I make my own chips and everything with fresh tortillas. They're just so much better than those prefab tacos. And if you use the prefab tacos, this recipe will not taste the same at all. Not even close. I don't think there's anything better than fresh tortillas with your tacos. But whatever you like, you have. And you won't know what it's supposed to taste like if you use them anyway, so I guess it wouldn't matter. Turn that heat up. My mother, when she makes a taco, she stuffs that thing so full. I don't know how she gets it in her mouth. I wonder what brand of tortillas these are. I miss that in California, being able to get the fresh made tortillas. They're so good. And just fry these up until they're crispy. And then fill them and they're ready. There's so much drama on YouTube right now, I can't even keep up. Like in every community, everywhere. What happened to the happy, happy, joy, joy stuff to watch on YouTube? Go back to watching movies. Probably should have had that hotter before I started these. Thought it was hot. I can hear my next door neighbor playing really loud music. Where do you all live? It's rained here for like a month. We've had some breaks, but like it's torrential. I think they said 3 inches an hour. Flash flooding, and it's been not the best summer. Weather-wise, couldn't do much. Guess it depends on what area you live in. The humidity is like 98%, 95%. It's terrible. Come on, you should be fried already. Come on now. Come on. That's why I like Jack in the Box tacos, because of the tortilla. Don't know what the meat is, but I do like the tacos. I was so happy when they got Jack in the Box here. Now if I had an In-N-Out, my world would be perfect. I'd do anything for an In-N-Out burger. Their fries are not fantastic. I have to have them well done, animal style. It's regular on their own. It's not fantastic. And just sizzle, sizzle, fry, fry them puppies. And you can do them any way you like. I remember when I was a kid, my mom would do batches of softer fried and crispy fried. We did have, my first stepdad did not like food that crunched. I don't know why. I guess everyone has their pet peeves. Mine is people talking with their mouth full. Or their mouth wide open. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. I'm sorry. I feel like I need to fill it in with conversation. I'm just so blah from so much rain. So much rain. I need sunshine in my life. And fall will be here before you know it, and then winter, and I'll be like, we got ripped off. A lot of people are wanting it. I'm like, no, not yet. I don't feel like I did anything for summer. I went to one concert. And if you haven't gone to Hall & Oates and you're thinking about going to Hall & Oates, if they're still touring, don't go to Hall & Oates. Absolutely terrible. Unless you like Train. Train was really good. I still don't know who they are, if they're a cover band, or I know they wrote a song with one of the guys, but I don't know who they are. I go to a lot of concerts. That's probably one of the worst concerts I've ever been to. Okay. I have to drain these really well. And I just keep frying until I have a bunch of tacos. then I try and stand them on paper towels to where they can continue to drain. So I certainly do not want greasy tacos. So I will come back when we're fried up and plating. Okay, so the tacos are fried up, and this is how I do it. I put some lettuce. I put this salsa, whatever, and this is the weird thing, Parmesan cheese. And that's how we do our tacos. You can put cheddar as well if you like. And you can do extra tomato and onion. I don't do that because of the salsa stuff, pico de gallo type stuff. It's fresh for the most part. Fresh tomato and onion. And I like some of that juice. Cheese, and that combination of flavors is yummy. So there you have it. If I can get out of the light. There are your tacos. So if you have any questions, let me know. A thumbs up would be cool. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll be getting some canning videos out here shortly. I have some in the bin or the tin or the can, whatever. And we will see you later. And I hope you have a great day, night, whatever it is where you live. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.